This is John with WTI. And right here with me, I have this Prego Italian sauce flavor with me. And what I like the most from this Prego sauce is the flavor, is the taste that it would give to your pastas. So the other day, I was trying to do some nice pasta, and adding this sauce is just a game changer. I've tried several other Italian and t- tomato sauces, and sometimes there will be a little bit dull in flavor, or they would not add too much to the flavor overall. It's just like it's simple, plain. But the fact that this has the whole combination with meat flavors, it actually makes my pasta actually taste like if I had anything related to meat, but not having to do that. Prego sauce, great flavor, great consistency. It's not a chunky type of Italian sauce. No, it's actually like thin. It's like greatly processed, so you're not gonna find a bit of chunks of tomato in your sauce. So overall, really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.